When your application calls for a rugged and durable solution, nothing comes close to the strong features on the all-new S40-60 forklift. Built in capacities ranging from 8,000 pounds to 12,000 pounds, the S40-60 series of lift trucks proudly adds to the strong legacy of the S-Series family. With a fully welded heavy-gauge frame, the S40-60 is truly built to last and designed to withstand even the most challenging applications. The Clark standard and field-tested nested I-beam mast on the S40-60 provides excellent stability and allows the use of external side thrust rollers. External side thrust rollers lead to less carriage twisting when compared with internal rollers and prevent the inner rails from spreading during load lifting. Transporting the S40 is easier than ever with integrated tie-down areas, preventing damage to the lift truck while in transport. The 6-roller carriage found standard on this lift truck provides better load stability, allowing your operators to navigate with confidence. The center of gravity on the S40-60 is also designed not only to maintain capacity, but to promote greater stability as well. Placing more weight towards the rear of the lift truck and close to the ground will help balance the truck when fully loaded. All of these strong features combine to bring you a lift truck that is durable, reliable, and able to withstand even the toughest of applications. To learn more about this product and all available Clark products, please visit clarkmhc.com or your nearest Clark dealer.